I have a strong objection, sir, on the language and the words
Let him speak, yes.
used by the Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister and also by other political parties. And it was a very strong statement by Mr. Shailajanath saying that anybody who takes the name of Nizam would not be tolerated. I would request the Honorable Speaker to please give the ruling on this. Sir, I would like to know whatever is happening today in the state of Andhra Pradesh about the bifurcation of the state. How is the Nizam responsible for it? The people talking and uttering words against the Nizam do not have the courage and they are not bold enough to name the people responsible for the bifurcation of the state. Who is responsible? Is Nizam responsible for today's bifurcation? Who is responsible? The people of Andhra and Rayalaseema trusted Shailajanath. I want to ask him, who did he trust that the state would not be bifurcated? Who has betrayed his trust? Be bold enough and courageous enough, gather some strength and utter the word against the people responsible for the bifurcation of the state rather than criticizing Nizam. I would not like to go into the details, but I would like to know, I don't know how much of information he has, and also just now from TDP side also, a very senior leader was saying about Nizam. Sir, I don't know whether they know this or not. In 1962, sir, when India was having a war with China, it was the late Nizam who gave 120 kgs of gold to Indian Union government, Indian Army to fight against China. It was the 9 crore defense bond which Nizam had given 9 crores in 1962. So you think that he was a traitor? He loved this country, and then for the sake of the integrity of this country, he had given that. Let us not go into the old wounds. If those wounds are scratched, it will bleed. The bleed will hurt both the sides. The bleed will hurt the Muslims, the bleed will hurt the Hindus, the bleed will hurt the Andhrais, the bleed will hurt the Telanganais, the bleed will hurt all the people of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Let us not go into that. Do you forget this? What Jawaharlal Nehru had said?